Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to take apart a Rubik's brand. I know this is a really hard thing to take apart and put back together, but I just found out a way to do that. So for this, you're going to need a Rubik's Cube with the Rubik's logo on it, and a screwdriver with only one line. So for this, you are going to want to turn it halfway and then use the screwdriver to stick it in like this until eventually the piece will pop out. And then you'll just have to, and then for the rest of it, you'll pull out the pieces and kind of just turn it. Or you can do, and then you're just going to take every single piece out and then you're just going to take a piece until the Rubik's Cube is completely done. You are going to want to do from here, we're just going to turn it and wiggle it around until every single piece comes out. Until you find out you have the, whatever it's called, I can't remember. Put this aside, and what you are going to do is take these pieces and put them down like this, so you know which one is which. And when you're trying to find one, you'll spot the piece you want to find. So that's why I want you to do this. You will want to line them up like this. And then you are going to put the corner pieces like this. Oh wait, there's some more. I'll just put right here. Just like that, until you have this. And then, what you want to do is take the corner, is take this and find one of these pieces. So what we're going to do is look at two middle pieces. What I'm doing is orange and blue. So what I'm going to find is an orange and blue piece from over here. And then I'll put that in the middle like this until you have that. And then do the same with the red and blue. Find a red and blue piece. Right here like that. And put the blue facing to the blue side and then the red facing to the red side. So you have this. And then we're going to find a red and green piece. I'll just fix that there for a minute. Okay. Now we have this. What we're going to do is find a orange and green piece, which is right over here. Like this, until you have a full square. Then what you're going to do is find the yellow side, which is right here. And then find an orange and yellow piece. Like that. And then we're going to find a corner piece, one of these. What we're going to do is flip it over like this and take one of the corner pieces, find one where a yellow spot is and slip it in. And then find another one where a yellow spot is. Which is right here. Until you have this. And then what you're going to need is a yellow and green piece. One of these pieces. And then put it where a yellow side is and a green side is. And put it where a green side is. Yellow facing to the yellow side and green facing to the green. This might take a minute, but I'm sure once you find out, once you do it, you're just going to slide it in like that until you get this. And now you're going to find a blue and yellow piece, like this. And what you're going to do is slip it right through here. And if that side won't work, then look for another side. And if the blue and yellow side won't work, then find like a yellow and red side. So, I'm talking about like putting it over here. By turning this piece like this and then turning it back. So now you have this. Then what you're going to do is turn it like this and put like this.
Mama said your tea's ready.
Shush. Like this. Sorry, my sister, she's just so annoying. And then what you're going to do is find a green, yellow, and blue side. and put it in. If you can't find it, only if you can't find it, take the other one with a blue, yellow, and red side and put it over there. And then find a red, green, and yellow side. I'm sorry about the last instruction. I made it a little wrong. And then what you're going to do is turn where there is no middle piece, like this. And twist this over to here. And then get the yellow and red side. And then twist this back. And then twist this back. So now we have a full yellow side and a half of each side. And now what we're going to find is a white and blue piece. Shove it in until you have this. And then find a blue, red, and white piece. I'm talking about a corner piece. And then find a red and white middle piece. Just like that. Until you have, and then you have that. Now find a blue, white, and orange piece, which I'm talking about a corner piece, like this. And then find a white and orange piece. Put it in like that until you have this, and then just put the two corner pieces. The last two corner pieces in, like this. And then you'll want to turn it like this and get this piece. It doesn't have to be the same, you can choose any color. You can choose any color to be first with. I'm just doing it like this so it would make sense. You see, there's one long piece and there's another long piece over here. So what you're going to do is put the long piece on top like this. And then pull this and push it in. And then you have a solved Rubik's Cube. So I'm glad you had fun. I really like taking apart this Rubik's Cube. And I hope you guys have some fun. See you in my next video. Bye.